Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best clothes drying racks that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Homemade Clothes Drying Rack. The clothes drying rack comes in bamboo construction. With the heavy-duty drying rack, you can count on it to serve you for long till you realize value for money. With the easy folding design, you will understand the value of money after you decide to buy the drying rack. Its portable design allows you to dry cloth from any location. The rack is large enough to allow you to accommodate as many clothes as possible. Even if you have a lot of clothes to dry, you will have enough space to dry them naturally. You will quickly start saving on energy after you buy the drying racks. Moving on at number 4, we have Household Folding Clothes Drying Rack. The indoor folding clothes drying rack assures you the best experience as you handle wet clothes. The use of bamboo makes it a highly reliable unit you can use to dry your clothes. The collapsible design avoids cases where you will be exposed to stress as you try to accommodate as many clothes as possible in your small space. With the versatile design, you will hang different types of clothes comfortably. It easily folds to save you on space. Each time you start using the unit, you will find it very reliable. With a stable design, you will have a comfortable place where you will have your clothes drying comfortably. Even if you are handling delicate clothes, the unit will work well in assuring you of the best clothes drying experience. At number 3, we have Household Wooden Drying Rack. It is an indoor wooden drying rack. The rack comes in a unique design to assure you of the best operation at all times. With the folding design, you can count on it to serve you for long till you realize value for money. The drying rack comes with features such as the space-saving design to allow you to utilize it even in small spaces. With the folding design, you will never feel let down after you buy the unit. It will serve you very well. The hardwood construction comes with a stain-resistant coat to assure you value for money in the process. The easy setup design makes it a reliable unit you can buy to enjoy high performance in your daily applications. With the easy folding design, you can count on the unit to serve you for long till you realize value for money in the long run. At number 2, we have Amazon Basics Drying Laundry Rack. It is foldable wooden clothes drying rack you can count on to realize the best performance as you dry clothes. Even in small spaces, you can easily handle it. You only have to fold it, and it will fit in the small space. With a durable and lightweight design, it will serve you well. You will quickly move it from one location to the other in your clothes drying process. The waterproof design avoids cases where the moisture from the clothes can affect it. It is a drying rack you can count on to serve you for long till you realize value for money. With the epoxy coating, it is a highly reliable unit you can buy to achieve value for money. The rack is resistant to stain and mildew, making it a great addition to your home. Even when moving it from one room to the other, you will find it easy. It is a lightweight and compact wooden clothes drying rack. And finally at number 1, Wooden Clothes Rack. The clothes drying rack stands out due to its design. You will easily fold it to save on space. Racks are highly durable to accommodate even the heaviest clothes. Even after you have washed several clothes, you can dry them naturally on the rack. Sturdy clothesline rack can be a great addition to your home. Durable craftsmanship in the making of the unit assures you value for money. The unit is carefully designed to guarantee you the best experience as you handle it. With careful construction, it will guarantee you the best performance. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.